Hello everyone. For today's recipe we need about a pound of mushrooms. I'm using baby Bella, but you can use whatever you can find. I'm also adding a few shiitake mushrooms. You can add any other variety, or you could make it with only one type of mushroom. 1 medium onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons plain flour, some fresh thyme or half teaspoon dried thyme, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 cup fresh cream, half teaspoon white vinegar, 3 to 4 cups chicken or vegetable stock. Use 4 cups of stock if you like the consistency to be more liquidy. Start by heating the butter and the oil in a heavy bottom pan. Cook the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are soft and golden. While that's happening, chop the garlic and the mushrooms. Mushrooms only need to be wiped with a damp paper towel or a cloth, but if your mushrooms are really dirty, feel free to rinse them in cold water. Save a few for garnish. You can also prep the mushrooms beforehand so you're not rushing at this point. When the onions are golden, add the garlic and the mushrooms and cook for about 5 minutes until the mushrooms are soft. Now add the salt and pepper, thyme, nutmeg and the flour and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Add the stock. Cover and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat until the mushrooms are very tender. Puree the soup in a blender. If you like to have a few mushroom pieces in your soup, leave some of it unblended. Or you can blend all of it. It's up to you. Add the cream and then the vinegar. Our soup is ready and it looks delicious. Now let's make the garnish. Heat some butter or oil. Sauté the mushrooms we had saved earlier along with some thyme until they are brown. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.